Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up your live stream event at your MyRaces.Live account. So let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go out to MyRaces.Live on the internet. You're going to open up that web page and you're going to log into the account. So once you log in, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. And this is the screen where we set up the live streams from. This is where we start from. And so I'm going to step you through that process, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what to do when you get to the track. So the first thing we're going to do is hit schedule a stream event. Now this is presuming that everything has already been set up on here and you can hire me out to do those things for you. So the process actually starts right from here. So we're going to schedule a stream event. We're going to type in here what the name of the event is going to be. So if we're going to go to, let's say we're going to go to Lime Rock, or you can just put the word test in here for the purposes of testing. And then we're going to set on a calendar here, we're going to set our start and stop times for the stream. And that's going to be done about a half an hour before you actually hit the button. You want to make sure it has plenty of time to be ready on their server side. But if you're just going to test it, you can take the time just at the moment it is now and just hit the minute there, and it'll automatically fill all that in. I'm going to go down to the end time. It brings it back up to the current time and date. I'm going to give it an hour. Again, just for testing purposes, say you just got your equipment and you want to check it out. We're just setting up a test stream for that. You can see those calendars are there, so you can set these up, schedule them way ahead of time, so it's ready to go before you even get to the racetrack, and then you're not fiddling with this stuff once you get there. And then below that is the streaming destinations. Again, this would all have been set up for you ahead of time. And you're going to hit the YouTube channel. This is going to send that stream off to the YouTube channel for you, which you can share and with your friends and family. And then the visibility, we're going to leave that to public, so that way everybody can find it. And then we're going to click on the Add Overlay button next. And from there, on the Overlay tab, this is where we're going to put in the racing team name, which is probably just going to be one. The driver who's going to be starting the event, or you can just put anything in there for a test. Car number, and then the live timing source. Now for Champ Car races, it's recommended to go with Speed Hive. So you're going to select Speed Hive from the list. And then now you see another drop-down box for the Speed Hive event. Now this event won't usually appear until race day morning, usually a few minutes before the race starts. So you may have to go back in and change this, because for right now, we're just going to pick something random, so that way we can finish up the process of setting up the live stream. But whoever's managing this for you will probably have to go back in the beginning, in the morning, and find the event for that day, and then select that so that it's pulling down the proper data that's going to show up on your screen. And this is the same place you're going to go, by the way, to change the driver as you go through your pit stops. So someone's going to want to go back in here, change those drivers so that everybody can see which driver is in the car. And then we're going to go to the Add Camera Info. Now, this is going to be set up by default after the initial setup, so you won't need to do anything here, but just hit Create. And after about 5 or 10 minutes or so, this is going to finish setting up the stream. The server is going to be done. Instead of saying down, it'll say that it's up, and it'll be in green. At that point, you can go ahead and push the button to turn on your hotspot and your camera for testing purposes, or if you're at the race, you can get things started up. And you'll be able to see your upcoming events in the upcoming tab, and any past streams will show up in the past events as well. So I hope that's helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to help you from there. Take care.